my name is Sarmi Dr. Sathimuthi. Today I want to present about stone ground wood pulping process using with the bagasse. So what is bagasse and its components? Bagasse is a dry pulpy fibrous material that remains after crushing sugarcane to extract their juice. First they will harvest the sugarcane and then they will extract their juice to make the sugar, and lastly we can get the bagasse. Bagasse is made of the cellulose, semicellulose and lignin. To assess proportion of this component can be very dependent on the environment and conditions. So next, what industry make bagasse paper? Bagasse, the fibrous residue remaining after sugarcane stalks, are crushed to extract their juice. It is primarily used in the pulp and paper industry to produce the pulp and paper products. This industry segment is very often to refer as a bagasse pulp and paper industry. So several countries produce bagasse paper, but some of the major produce include Brazil, India, China, Thailand and Colombia. These countries have a significant sugarcane industry with generate large quantities of bagasse as a byproduct that can be used to make paper. So next, products from the bagasse and the usage in biomass. Bagasse, the fiber residue remaining after sugarcane processing, is a versatile biomass resource with numerous applications. Primarily, it's utilized in eco-friendly paper and packaging production, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional materials. Additionally, it serves a significant biomass source, either converted into the bioethanol or burned to generate electricity in biomass power plants. Some also use it as animal feed, compost it for organic fertilizer, incorporate into the composite building material for construction. Bagasse multifaceted application make it valuable resource for promoting sustainability across various industries. Next this is the process to make bagasse paper using with the stone ground wood. First they will do the wood preparation, and second they will do the grinding, and then they will do the refining, and then they will do the screening, and then they will do a cleaning the pulp, and then they will do the bleaching, and lastly they will do storage and transportation, and other industry they will do productions such as chicken roast containers, bowls, plate, meat trays, produce trays and others. So this is the mechanical method to make paper pulp from bagasse. So what is the stone ground wood? Okay, so stone ground wood is the one of the mechanical method for making paper pulp. It starts with the preparing wood logs or chips, removing bark through debarking and then chipping them into the smaller pieces. These pieces are ground using rotating stone in a grinder. So let's see the process in very deep. So first, wood preparation. The wood processing starts with debarking to remove the outer layer of bark, preventing contaminants, and then the wood logs are chipped into the uniform piece. These chips are screened to remove any irregular size, enhancing pulping efficiency. And then they will do grinding. Grinding in stone ground wood, pulping turns into wood chips into pulp by subjecting them to pressure and friction against rotating stone. This breaks down the chips, separating the fibers and creating the pulp suspension in water. After that, they will do refining in stone ground wood. Pulping improves pulp quality by passing it through equipment like refiners or beaters, which apply mechanical forces to fibers. This process enhances strength, uniformity, and sustainability for paper making by fibrillating fibers and increasing their surface area. After that, they will do screening. After grinding, pulp undergoes screening to remove large and small particles and contaminants. Screen with specific mesh size separate fibers from unwanted materials. Large particles like wood chips are kept out, which small particles pass through. And then they will do cleaning process. Cleaning is vital in a stone ground wood pulping to remove impurities and ensure quality. After screening, the pulp is further refined using equipment like cleaners and centrifugal cleaners. These machines use force to separate unwanted particles like dirt, sand, and bark from the pulp. And next is bleaching. The pulp may undergo a bleaching process to achieve the desired brightness and color for final paper product. The machine bagasse pulp, like broadleaf wood pulp, is made using front dryer formers and thin wire formers. The pulp is compressed, dry, and turned into the sheet by machine before being cut and packaged for various applications as paper materials. Lastly, storage and transportation. Once bleached, The pulp is stored in chests or tanks before being transported to paper mills for further processing into various paper products. That's all from me. Thank you.